Morning. So welcome to another trade recap with you guys. Okay, not a recap but a reset. Let me show you how I do my risk management. This is how I do my risk management, and you can really learn a whole lot from this. You understand? Like now you can see I'm on one, two, three. I'm on three positions now. You can see my balance is around 800,000 naira. You understand? So how I go about my risk management is I have something called a hard stop loss. You understand? A hard stop loss is the max amount of money I'm willing to lose on a trade setup or a trade idea. Now let me give you guys a lowdown. Now you can see there's different levels marked here. You understand? You can see this trade is actually a scaling. This scaling is about 20k, 21,000 stop loss. You understand? You can see this is my hard stop loss. You can see that 6477776 is my hard stop loss area. You understand? So if price goes below that area, I want to be out of the trade. You understand? Now you can see my stop loss is set here. This is about 21,000. The risk is there. So I now have a 60,000. I now have 59,000 of hard stop loss left. You understand? Because I already used the 21,000. You can see this second trade now. You can see this trade now is already in profit break even. You understand? Because it's below this my hard stop loss area. This 46776 is below this my hard stop loss area here. So it's below this my hard stop loss area here. It's below this my hard stop loss area here. So I'm just going to leave this trade, take this up a little and put this one here. This is 5,000. Why this my first trade? This my first trade is deep in profit. You understand? I cannot afford to push this trade up here in case it's a winning trade, in case price comes down and reject and do his magic. You understand? I don't want to be left out. You understand? So that's why this stop loss it should be below here, 25,000. You understand? So the risks now I have on the table is 21,000, 25,000. This middle trade is at break even, so I don't count this one. You understand? So now I have about 46,000 naira worth of risks. Now I can only take like 24,000 of scaling again because I still have another 24,000 to make it 80,000 of mass stop loss. You understand? So the mass stop loss is usually 10% of my capital. You understand? In this case, my capital balance is 800,000. So my max stop loss is 80,000 on all setup idea, on every trade setup idea. And so as my balance is 800k, I don't want to lose above 80k. That's 10% of my balance. I don't want to lose above 80k. I want to make sure that all the trades, all the skill and everything, all the trade ideas I come up with, it's below or equal to 80,000, both commission and every other things. You understand? If you know you like such video and you want to know more on how to really trade and be profitable in the long run, do give a follow. See you guys in the next video.